You are welcome to Global Youth TV. Especially on the time you are watching this video, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Here is Global Youth TV. Talk how to make money, how to maximize money. Talk about the type of opportunity you can use to make money online. If you subscribe to the channel to watch videos like this, today I'll be showing you a free TRS mining site that mine TRS for you for free. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel, guys. The name of the site is called Mine Bigger. Okay, it's called Miner Bigger. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can also register your own account too, guys. To register an account is very simple in this platform. You would need a Faucetpay account. Okay, join the free code mining revolution and start earning cryptocurrency today. Enter your Faucetpay Tron address. What you are going to do is that I'm going to drop a link, video link. I already explained about this Faucetpay. Okay, you need a Faucetpay account. I'm going to put it on this and click on this start mining. This is my own Faucetpay account which I already linked, and I click on the start now to automatically start mining for you guys for free. You don't have to deposit anything in this platform. You see my balance here now. My balance a total of 0.005 TRX for free. That is mining for free for me. You can withdraw at any time, guys. You can withdraw at any time. Please don't deposit anything in this platform. It is a free site. Don't deposit anything there, please, guys. Just make sure you earn for free without you depositing. And if you don't know how to create a Faucetpay account, I've already told you that I'm going to drop a link below which you can use to create your own Faucetpay account, which is easy and doesn't take you at least 3 minutes to create the Faucetpay account. Simple as that, guys. After you have put your Faucetpay account to the link and click on the start now, you come to your browser like this. Your browser is going to be like mine like this. What are you going to do? They are not going to do anything because it's a free crypto mining. They mine TRS for you for free every day without you being there. It's mine for free, guys, and you're getting 1.0 hash per hour. Okay, you're getting 1.0 hash per hour for free. And for you running members in this platform, you're getting 15% commission. Okay, let's check more about this platform. You see, like, can I withdraw? From here, you can withdraw. You have 0.0 TRS as the minimum withdrawal. That means here I can withdraw now. Okay, I can withdraw for free, but I'm not withdrawing in this video. I'm just going to show you how this platform works. In my next video, I'm going to do a live withdrawing from this platform, guys. And make sure you take advantage of this platform because it's a new TRS mining platform. I don't actually know the time each platform is going to. I don't actually know the time each platform. This platform is going to be closed, but you can also take advantage of it because it is still early, and you can also make money for yourself, guys, in this platform. You see, you must have a Faucetpay account with the same wallet used in your account on our website to receive a payment. If you don't have an account, you can click here to create a new before making a payment. Okay. Have a Faucetpay account, don't have to click there. If you click there, it's going to take you to a Faucetpay account which you are going to create. Okay, I already have my own Faucetpay account. Click on my own user, go into my own user account. Okay, you see, this is my own Faucetpay account. I have a $0 there. I don't actually have anything here in my Faucetpay account because I don't actually use it for most of it. I don't actually use it for site. Let's go back to the site. Okay, you can withdraw for free. You can withdraw for free at any time. You can also read more about this platform going to the end of this dashboard. Okay, and you don't have to deposit anything. Just come here, you see referrals and copy your referral links and share it to your friends so that they can also join, guys. Mind you, don't deposit anything in this platform. Deposit anything in this platform, you are taking just your own risks. Okay, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, make sure you don't deposit anything in this platform because it's totally free to avoid any loss in this platform. Yeah, let's say you click on this link now. It's going to take you to a Faucetpay account which you are going to create for yourself. Let me log out from my account. Yes, I've logged out from my account to show you how to create your own Faucetpay account. Click on this sign up. Click on it. You put your username, your email address repeatedly. Okay, after that pick a password, and after that you verify yourself from this captcha. Okay, and you log into your account. I'm logging into my account back now. Okay, yes, make sure you fill this verification before you can log in to your account. That you click on this login to your account. Yes, to link any of your cryptocurrency wallet, just come here. You see 3 dots. You come here, you see this home. Click on link address. See, click on link address. You put the address you want to link, your TRS address. You put the address here. Maybe it's from your Binance or your Trust wallet or any of your cryptocurrency. You put the address here. You want to put the name which you want to use for it. You can just repeat this for any wallet you want to use. Okay, just put the BTC here, put the address of the BTC and the label. You can put any label. Let's say you can put BTC 1. Okay, just put that and put the address there and link it. Yeah, easy as that, guys. You can also join their Telegram group on the Faucetpay account. They are not the one paying you, but they are the one they are going to pay you into this account, guys. Mineandbilliard.com. Yeah, mineandbilliard.com. That mine free TRS for you. You can also start mining for yourself. And make sure you like the video. If you want videos like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel for videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.